The Oster blender with texture select settings lets you select your desired consistency, from thick to medium to thin. Choose from 3 pre-programmed food modes: smoothie, food chop, and milkshake. Select the texture you want. Or use the manual settings for even more control. The extra-wide blade system reverses direction for more consistent results. It comes with a 5-cup food processor to make food prep fast and easy. Texture select settings. Only from Oster.
The new Ninja Mega Kitchen System, featuring professional blending to instantly crush ice and frozen fruit to create restaurant-quality frozen fruit drinks and smoothies. Professional juicing to instantly pulverize and liquefy ice, entire whole fruits and vegetables, making complete nutrient juices that retain all the nutrients and fiber with no tamping and no extra water. Professional power in chef-certified food processing with an 8-cup processing bowl and professional performance in chef-certified dough mixing, making up to 2 pounds of bread dough, pizza and pasta dough, cake and cookie batters in less than 20 seconds. Plus, you'll get all that same professional power and performance in a 16-ounce single-serve cup. It will change the way you eat. It will change the way you live. If you want to look and feel your best, then you must control what goes into your body.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender Food Processor. This is a great product. You get 2 products in one. First, it's a 7-speed electronic blender. It has a 40-ounce glass carafe. The lid comes off really easy. You just pull it up and push it down. Also, this removes so that when you're blending, you can add extra ingredients. If you're going to be making something like a vinaigrette, while the blender is running, you can add your oil right through here, and it'll emulsify for you. Blenders are great to have because they perform so many different functions. Let me just put this back in here. This one has lots of great features. Like I said, it's 7 speeds. It has a stir function, a chop function, mix, puree, pulse, so it can pulse on any speed. It has also called out an ice crush feature and has on and off. The other thing that's great about this is that when you remove the blender, you can put on the food processor attachment. This is really great. You can use it to chop nuts. You can use it to do herbs. You can use it to make salsa. It's really, really useful. The other thing that's great is when you take the lid off and you remove the chopping blade, you can put the disc on with the stem adapter, and you can slice and shred right into your food processor. One side is for slicing, and the other side is for shredding. It's really, really useful. It has a 500-watt motor, has on and off, and like I mentioned, it has a called out food processor function, so it runs at a specific speed just for food processing, because food processing is done at a much slower speed than blending. Food processing is done about 1,700 RPMs, and when you're blending, this blender runs at about 17,000 RPMs. So it's actually designed to automatically step down to the right speed so you process your food perfectly. And there you have it, the Smart Power Blender by Cuisinart.